got some bat wings with blood sauce and eyeballs. Let's get involved, people. Come on. Woo! Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight, guys, we have a super spooky episode. We are going to be grilling up some bat wings with blood sauce. It's going to be so much fun. You guys have got to try this out for your next Halloween party. So, who do we have coming over tonight? Guys, we have Mike Linsky. We also have Jory Lyle, both on guitars. We're going to have a good time with those guys. It's going to be a lot of fun. Also, we have Ryan Turk on bass and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So, without further ado, people, let's get involved. All right, guys, it's time for some bat wings. Let's create a marinade for them real quick. I'm putting them in this bag, putting all the marinade in this bag, and be putting on our chicken wings, our bat wings into the bag, sealing it up, throw it in the fridge for about an hour. You want to kind of get all that marinade all over the wing and stick it in for an hour. So anyway, here we go. So we're gonna start off with some soy sauce. I'm using about half a cup of dark brown sugar. Now we're going in with a half a cup of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger. Next is gonna be 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce. We're gonna be using 8 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of black food coloring, the zest of 2 limes. Now I'm gonna shake it all up, get everything incorporated. Now that we have our marinade made, it's time to put our bat wings into the bag. So here we go. Now you're gonna shake it all up, get that marinade all over these wings. All right, here we go. We got our bat wings all hooked up. I ended up putting some more food coloring in these because they kind of look green, but it says black on there, I promise. Well, we're gonna see how this turns out. Even if they're green, whatever. It is what it is. We're gonna have some fun with it. So I'm throwing it in the fridge. We're gonna let them sit in there for about an hour. We're gonna see how they turn out, and we will catch you guys back here in just a little bit. So, woo! Helper here tonight. We got James helping me out. Thanks, buddy. You ready to make some blood sauce for these bat wings, bro?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, we're gonna start off with a half a cup of pomegranate juice, half a cup of sriracha. You're gonna give it a good squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Okay, that's good. Good job, good job. Looking good. Half a cup of honey. Ready to give that one a squeeze? Will these hands do it? Or no, these hands will do it. Okay, all right. Pick your hands. Looking good. Yep, there it is. Nice job. All right, now we're going in with a half a teaspoon of red food coloring. We're just gonna give it a little squeeze in there, okay? Yeah, you can open it. Give it just a little squeeze. Good, that's good, perfect, all right. Thank you. Now we're gonna do the juice of 1 lime. 3 garlic cloves. Okay, we have some lychee that look like eyeballs, so we're gonna grab those. But before we do that, we're gonna mix this up.
Yeah.
You wanna mix it up? Can you grab them?
I don't have gloves.
Ooh, eyeballs. Bloop. Honestly, let's put 4 of them in there. Maybe 5. There was a Cyclops somewhere when we got this one from. All right, now we have our bat sauce, our bloody bat sauce ready for our wings. Okay. Hey, James, good job, buddy.
Yeah.
Can't wait for Halloween action. Did you get some good candy this year?
Yeah.
All right, cool, buddy. All right, I'm gonna catch you here in a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, you guys stay tuned, like and subscribe. We're gonna catch you back here in a minute. Okay, our wings have been soaking in our marinade. Now it's time to put them on the grill. I've got this set at about 400 degrees indirect, so here we go. We'll see you guys back here in a little bit. You guys enjoy these jams. We'll see you. Peace. Heat this sauce up and let it come to a boil. We're going to let it cool down for about 10 minutes. We're going to put it in our eyeballs and we'll be ready to start dipping. Alright, we're bubbling away. We're going to do a flippy real quick on these wings. Oh man, check them out. Look at this thing. Wow. Alright, cool. See you guys back here in a minute. Woo! Come on, guys. Hey, all right. We're pulling our wings. They're looking fabulous. All right, here we go. All right, guys, moment of truth. Let's check out these bat wings and blood sauce. We've got Mike over here. We got Mike Litsky. What's up, bro?
Come on, man.
Oh, hey, come on in. Come on. Yeah, we're coming on in. Yeah. We also have Jory Lyle over here. What's up, bro?
No, we're hugging.
Oh, yeah, we got the hot dog hug. And then we got Ryan Turk over here, too. What's up, Bubba? Come on, man. You guys ready to check out some wings over here, people?
We're ready.
All right, cool. Everybody grab one,
right.
give it a dunk, and just pray for the best.
She waits till it's done. Smells great.
Yeah!
Smells amazing.
Alright, here goes. Oh yeah, hold on. We might have done this prematurely. I'm gonna burn my...
Are they super hot?
They're pretty hot.
Okay. Are they pretty hot? I mean, I can't see around your wiener, Jory. Sorry. Come on.
I can tolerate it.
Ryan. You going in?
Not that bad.
Going in with the dunk and the blood. All right, cool.
Yum. Alright.
Sweet. Here we go.
Very good though.
Oh, okay, cool. All right.
Alright.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Dude.
Very good. Yep.
Oh, man.
Bat, alien, frog, whatever.
Turn it up. This is interesting. That's totally different. It's so weird looking at these things being sort of green. But they are good. Tastes like chicken.
They're juicy.
Oh, man.
I am preparing enough with napkins though.
Oh, hey, that's all right. I got your beer.
My bun, it's gonna be all for my bun.
Oh no. James Salzer, you want to come in for one?
Why is it black?
It's part. All right, you gotta watch the episode, bro.
Well, I saw some of it. I saw you mixing this stuff up. You put some kind
You
of.
gotta dip them.
Oh yeah.
You gotta dip it in the blood sauce, bro.
All right. With the eyeballs.
These are bat wings.
These are bat wings, yes. Ozzy Osbourne would be proud, I think.
Yeah.
Are you going to hide?
I don't want to make a
Oh,
mess.
Got a napkin? There you go.
Wow.
All right.
Yeah, those are special.
Yeah, those are special. That's definitely one way of looking at it.
Yeah,
Those are
pretty
pretty good, though.
Yeah.
If y'all want to do something really funky and fun for your next holiday, Halloween party, get involved with some of these guys. These are really good. These turned out really good, actually. I'm kind of surprised. But anyway, it is what it is. We're enjoying ourselves. Guys, get involved. Come on. Come on. All right, guys, we had an excellent show tonight. Oh my God, those bat wings and blood sauce were like out of control. So good. You guys got to try them out. What do you guys think of those bat wings tonight, guys? Come on.
Wonderful.
Come on
They were
now.
great.
Let me really know how you really like them. Guys, they're actually really good. Give them a shot. Guys, hey, look, I also want to give a shout out real quick to Derek Enner with the merch company. Thank you so much, as always, for our merch. It's great. We love you guys. Thank you so much for that. And anything else I'm missing, Jeff? That's it, folks. We're going to catch you guys next time. Let's get involved. Boom!